All right, so has anybody ever heard of the CAP method? Oh, good, not too many. Good, we're gonna learn something new. Okay, so CAP is when I want you to think about when you are connecting with people. You have learned a little bit about what your pillars are. Now, what do you say? I want you to visualize and think that you are face to face with this person. All right, just how you are connecting with someone here, it's the same way online. And this is a really simple method that you can just break it down. So C stands for connection with commonality, whether it's through hashtags, whether it's through Facebook groups, whatever the method is connecting, you have something in common. Are you a mom in a local area? Are you a dad? Are you a hockey wife? Specifically, but you're gonna connect with them. Even paying a compliment. Who likes to receive compliments? Right? I mean, if you love what somebody is wearing, or if you love something, a post that they have made and it's connected with you, tell them. People like that. It connects you with them. The A is ask open-ended questions. So you want to ask an open-ended question. So turn it around, ask yourself, what is that question? Is it going to be yes? Is it going to be no? And you can go to Google and you can type in open-ended questions and you'll find a ton of them. So the P is pain points to problem solve. What that basically means, you guys, is we can solve so many problems through our product, through the business, through so many different things. So once you are connecting with someone online, you have to specifically think about what problem can I solve from them? Are they a tired mom? Are they someone who's working 60 hours a week and you want to help bring them home to their family? What problems do they have that you can solve? You're being consistent on social media. You're connecting behind the scenes with using a simple method like this. I promise you, well, absolutely, they'll see things in your stories, they'll see what you're sharing, and Thrive will come up.